This is a mentor Anya. Today, while sitting in my balcony, I realized I should do something new, except of teaching. Well, I was gearing up for the week. So guys, today I'm going to give you a short glimpse of my balcony. So let's get started. Starting with my favorite plant, jasmine. It is too thin and tender. It is in its growing stage. We have planted it since January. Next is Aprasita. Aprasita is a very old and strong plant. It cooperated me from many years. It bears beautiful white and blue flowers. It looks like a butterfly. Aloe vera. This is the aloe vera. People pluck and apply aloe vera on their face, but whenever I touch it, I got hurt from its side thorns. Moving on to the next plant, tulsi. Words are less to define. This great plant. It has multiple purposes. In spite these all, we have planted another Aprasita. A funny thing is that I sacrificed my earphone for giving it support. Last but not the least, marigold as hibiscus. Marigold. I like this place because due to its smell and its beautiful flowers. Next is our hibiscus. This is pink hibiscus and this is red hibiscus. Pink hibiscus bears pink flowers and red hibiscus bear red flowers. We can also define them that as pink hibiscus is the mother of the red hibiscus and the red hibiscus is the daughter of them. Now, moving on to my favorite plant, most favorite, that is mango. I like mango a lot. This is my mango tree, and when more mangoes will grow, I will absolutely share that with you. So I hope you like my balcony.